Hey guys, I am Brynel and welcome to Brynel's Diaries. So I will be doing another unboxing video which is given by 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖓𝖑𝖑. So I hope you guys know who 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖓𝖓𝖑 are, and if you don't know, do check out my channel where I did their paintings and I give a proper introduction about them. So you can check out that video so you will know them more better, and also do subscribe to their channel 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖓𝖓𝑑𝑒𝑒𝑚's link will be in my description. Do check it out. Now let's go. So this is the gift that I will be unboxing. So yeah, I received this gift on 11th of July and it was a Sunday. I had gone to their house for a shoot, so they gave me this surprise, this cute very amazing gift, and I thought of making an unboxing video. Finally, after waiting for 3 days, I can now open the gift. Okay, so let's get unboxing it. Firstly, thank you so much 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖓𝖓𝑑𝑒𝑒𝑚's Sam and Prats for this amazing gift. Now let's see what's inside. I'm very excited, so yeah. So my YouTube channel's name, Brynel's Diaries, and they wrote a letter inside. So yeah, thank you so much. I read this, so yeah. And now the fun part. So let's open the first gift, and let's keep this aside because it's blocking my view. So yeah. Now y'all can see me clearly, y'all can see the gift clearly. So let's get opening. I got my scissors.
Hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look.
God, it's so pretty. I seen something in blue and it's kind of like purse, I guess. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. Like, damn. It's so sweet. I love it, yeah. Like, I love this glittery thing. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Like, damn. I love it so much. Like, so pretty. Look at it. I just love it so much. Damn. Now for the second one. I'm excited. And it says, "Love you from 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖓𝖓𝑑𝑒𝑒𝑚's." Got my scissors again, and let's remove the label first. Stick it behind me. Yep.
Mirror say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
I'm literally so bad in opening gifts, like seriously. Oh, whatever, that was not satisfying. But yeah, so pretty. Yeah, I have to just, open it in. Like, I'm excited to see the inside. It comes with a cute spoon. I love the design. It's so pretty.
Oh, you
What is
tell
this?
me
Isn't it
stories
so pretty?
You took me in.
And see this, like this is also very pretty from here and from here. Yes guys, and these are the two gifts that I unboxed and I really love it so much. It's like cute, they're very cute. I have no words. Thank you so much, 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖊𝖑𝖑. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also do subscribe to 𝕭𝖑𝖊𝖓𝖊𝖑's channel, link will be in my description. And one last thank you so much, Sam and Prats. Means a lot. I loved it so much. Bye guys.